rewarding wise review. Is rewarding wise a scam or not? In this tutorial and review, I'm going to give you a tool to see for yourself what it has to offer. It is a legit site that pays out. You can convert your money and earn cash. 500 points, it's around $5. You can get paid out through PayPal. They pay out quite quickly. It works very well and fast. What it actually offers: in earned money tab, you have all kinds of surveys. You can see the daily pay cash survey, for example. And yeah, these are like survey providers. You have a list of different surveys and you get the reward. After you click take survey and a new screen opens up, and then there is all kind of different office for different rewards. And be aware that you will definitely not qualify for all the offers, and there is all these different ones. The first ones here are different survey offers. You just need to be aware that it takes a little bit of patience to find the survey you qualify for. Sometimes before you join, rewarding wise very normal for survey sites. And also be aware that it's not just to qualify for all the surveys, it also has a video option here. And if I try to show you one of them, and you can actually get paid to watch videos, you will not get big rewards for this. The computer watching them, of course, you don't necessarily have to be here. You can earn by this if you want to watch videos, but it pays very little. It's not like a huge earnings, but it can be a fun way to make a bit extra money. And then you have all the other walls here. All of these offers have different offers, and you can see rewarding wise has quite a lot of different of the walls. There are some games, for example, you can play and download. Always read the terms and conditions for these offers, and you get 700 points for downloading. Some of them are really great, as some of them not great at all. You need to play the game until level 8, for example, and of course it will probably take some time to reach level 8, and then you will get what is the equivalent of $7. It's a nice extra reward. If you like playing games, there is a lot of different offers, and you just need to play for 30 minutes to get some rewards. And you can find more survey here, and you can download mobile apps and get paid for. And always remember to check the condition and terms. So here there is quite a lot of opportunities. It's something that you are willing to do to get the points and get paid. And again, remember to check the terms and conditions. You know exactly what you have to do here. And there is referral program that you can invite friends to join rewarding wise, and you get an extra reward for inviting. If they join, you can get a really nice extra reward if you are active on this platform. And on the side there is a promo code for rewarding wise where you can get some free costs. Here on the site you will make a huge amount of money. One thing I need to mention about rewarding wise, Super Buy Me. If you have previously seen my review of Super Buy Me, they look very much the same. They have a lot of the same office. They are having a lot of the same offers. If you have previously seen my review of Super Buy Me, they look very much the same. They have a lot of the same office. They are having a lot of the same offers. You can learn to navigate the others. If you learn to navigate one of them, and you probably like the office it has, so there has quite a lot of opportunities. As you can see, rewarding wise is legit survey side. Sometimes it takes a little bit of patience, and it can definitely make you some nice extra money on the side. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.